Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board has issued notices to Vijay Mallya's companies United Breweries and United Spirits. Notices have been issued for allegedly releasing untreated effluents and sewage into the rivulets from factories at Bethoda Industrial Estate. According to State Pollution Control Board, Vijay Mallya's liquor manufacturing units, United Breweries and United Spirits at Bethoda Industrial Estate are continuously releasing polluted effluents and sewage into the nearby rivulet. The board had conducted a surprise inspection on 5th of March and collected samples from final treated water coming out from both the factories to the Nala at Kurti Ponda.
There is a case made out for failure of the STPs, that is sewage treatment plant and effluent treatment plants. So, it can be attributed to these units having diverted it to the Nala. So, we have issued show cause notice for the explanation, and the board will examine the same and take action, very stringent action in this respect.
The board in its notice has asked the officials of United Breweries and United Spirits to appear before the board on 8th of April and present their side.
I have given them time up to 8th, that is next Monday by evening. So that's time they have to give their say to our show cause notice, and then we will act in terms of the whatever legal provisions.
The board in its initial investigation has found that untreated effluent and sewage are affecting the environment and health of local people. With video journalist Tulsidas Chari, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar faced controversy in the House on Wednesday after independent MLA Naresh Sawal pointed out that the newly inaugurated private wards in JMC were commissioned only after the Health Minister's wife was unwell and had to be admitted in JMC. Parsekar called this a coincidence.
Speaker sir, पहिलो पेशंट कोण हो कदाचित माननीय मंत्र्यांक खबर नासत, पण पहिलो पेशंट इतले दीस रावून सुद्धा किंवा इतले म्हयने रावून सुद्धा पहिलो पेशंट माननीय मंत्र्याची मिसेस. म्हणजे ती बरी ना जावपाक इतले सुरू करपाक रावल्ले काय कितें?
तिच्या खातीर जर सुरू जालें आसा जाल्यार हांव आनंदाची गोश्ट म्हणटा. म्हजी बायल हॉस्पिटलांत आसली ही गोश्ट खरी. हांवें तशी ताची थोडीशी वाच्यता करूंक नासली. स्पीकर सर तुमकांय हांवें कळोवंक ना, नाजाल्यार मागीर गर्दी पडटा म्हणून. हांव 1-2 दीस बायल म्हजी आसली आनी त्यामुळे प्रायवेट रूम वापरला. आतां तीच पयली आसली काय कितें हांव नकळो. हांव भायर सरता आसतना पूण आनीक 2-4 तरी पेशंट थंय आसले हेंवूय हांव जाणा बाकीच्या रुमांनी.
बिकॉज सर हांवें पळयलां माननीय WRD मिनिस्टर हे सुद्धा जनरल वार्डान ते रावल्या. हांव म्हणटालो तुमकां प्रायवेट रूम ना काय म्हणून विचारतालो, पूण जाल्यार सुद्धा ते जनरल वार्डान रावल्या आनी आपली मिसेस बरी नासता तेन्नाच ते रूम सुरू करपाक मेळटा.
स्पीकर सर हांवें हेचें कमिशनींग 16 मार्चाक जालां म्हणून सांगलां. माननीय दयानंद मांद्रेकार जे आजारी आसले ते 3-4 म्हयन्या पयलीं आसले. ताच्या पयलीं आमचो कायतू बाबूय आसलो, आमचो खासदार श्रीपाद नायकय आसलो. त्या वेळार ह्यो गोश्टी जावंक नासल्यो. आतां जर कोणाक जाय जाल्यार आतां सीक पडपाक हरकत ना. आमदाराच्यान पडूं येता, बायलेच्यान पडूं येता, भुरग्यांनीय पडूं येता, ते मेळूं शकता.
सीक पडपाचें बरें आसा. प्रायवेट वॉर्ड 30 मे समजा जर इनॉग्रेट जाता, 30 मे इनॉग्रेट जाता जाल्यार इतले म्हयने कित्याक लागता तर?
Salgaocar Football Club will take on Prayag United in the first I-League match at the upgraded Tilak Stadium on Thursday evening. The Vasco-based football facility has been provided with floodlights to stage matches in the evening so that people can come to the stadium after office hours.
This is the view of the refurbished Tilak Maidan, which has been upgraded at the cost of 6 crore rupees. The Sports Authority of Goa ground can now become the hub of top-level football, as people from Vasco are known to be die-hard football fans. Also, the sitting capacity here is around 8,000, making it possible to get a full house for big games for an electric atmosphere. Final touches before the return of football to Tilak were supervised by SAG Executive Director Sandeep Jackis.
Just come to see the final touch-ups and preparations being done for the inaugural tomorrow. We are having the inauguration of the refurbishment done of the done. And as of now, we are very happy with whatever work has already been done, and we are looking forward for the inaugural tomorrow.
Former GFA Secretary Savio Messias believes the stadium is fine for now, but for next season, the turf needs to be relayed.
Yes, we are very grateful to the government for having given us a floodlit stadium finally after many years, and I'm sure the Vascoites are all thrilled about it. Now, the ground is looking very nice. The floodlights are excellent. But this is just, what I would say that the ground is not fully complete yet. I think after the I-League matches are over, they are going to relay the turf, and we'll have a still better ground for next season. Now, I would request the people of Vasco to come in big numbers to watch the game and cheer the Goan clubs. Because finally we have got a beautiful stadium, and let's make full use of the stadium.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.